Hi everyone, my name is Avishkar and our project is Flood Master. And the problem is every urban area, whenever it rains, it leaves with a lot of floods in underpasses and subways. And it can cause a lot of damage. It may look like nothing and a bit of minor inconvenience, but it is not. When it reaches the silencer of a bike, it can completely break down the bike and it causes big problems. And to tackle with that, we made this Flood Master. And
existing solutions of our prototype are water level sensors and warning systems. Here we used ultrasonic sensors and float sensors which are installed under the passes which indicates the water safe level. And the next one is community reporting systems. Here the water level is known through apps. And the third one is LED flood warning signboards. LED signboards are placed at underpasses when water level rise beyond safe limits.
Water level gaps in existing solution. Water level sensors in underpasses. Limiting coverage, only a few underpasses are equipped with the sensor. Due to cost and installation challenges, maintenance issues like dirty water decreases and technical faults. And coming to second gap is LED flood warning signing boards. Due to heavy rain, the signboards may not visible properly, so that the signal may not convey properly. And coming to third gap is community reporting system for water logging gaps. Due to messages delayed, a certain person may already entered into the hazard encountered. These are the gaps.
Coming to the proposed solution, so we propose a solution which detects the water level and we use the signboards so that it can detect how much the water level is, and we use the motor which removes the water when the water is full. Then we have used the components that are Arduino and water level sensor and a motor and a 9 volts battery. These are the components that we have used.
Working on the model, we are building a project using Arduino water level sensor, breadboard, LED lights, relay model and motor pump. How the project will work? Project goal: automatically turn on the motor if the water level reaches to 700 range, and turn off the motor if the water level reaches to 500, and indicate we are using LED lights to indicate the water level. Component function: water level sensor detects the water level range from 0 to 1023, and since the water level will not vary to the Arduino, and Arduino controls the LED lights and relay module. And relay module is for switch on off the motor. It controls the motor, and motor is used for pumping the water based on water levels. And this is the construction. When it comes to the LEDs, we are using 3 lights: green, yellow, red. The range is from 0 to 618. It glows green, blinks green, and 690 to 630 blinks yellow, and turn off the green light, and range is from 630 to 700 range. It blinks red, and turn off the yellow light, and turn on the motor if the water level reaches to 500, and turn off the motor.
Thank you for watching.